Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can wrap text inside the shapes in Canva. So I'm going to show you perfect and full process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Canva. So let me take one blank canvas or presentations. Okay, here we have this canvas. Go to the elements and search for shapes first. Here we have the shapes. Go to the see all and select your shapes. Now we need another shape, which is square shapes. Okay, just increase the size of these shapes and change with any color of the square shapes. Okay, now just increase your that first shape size and just keep in on that square shapes. Now go to the positions, go to the layer and just keep the our shapes to the top. Okay, now we have these shapes. Keep both at middle like this. Okay, now we need to change the shapes color as same as background color. So our background color is white, so we need to change with the white. Okay, now go to the share and just go to see all and just copy the clipboard and add the another page. Okay, if you don't find this view, just go to the make page enable. Now paste this clipboard which we have copied. You can delete that original page. So now we have second page with this square. Okay, now we can change that background color of this second page. We can make it black. Now select that first shape and go to the BG remover. Okay, now we have removed the background. Increase the size. Okay, so now we need to prepare our text. So we go to the app, just go to the app and search for type gradients. This app, just open it, just scroll down and here you need to put your text. Okay, so you need to add only 2-3 words. Okay, don't write the full length, just write 2-3 words like this and just copy and make multiple lines. Okay, you can write your own text. I just copy and make the multiple lines like this. Okay, here you can change or that gradient colors. Okay, from here you can change that colors. Here you can change any style, choose any style of gradients. Here you can some recommends, you can choose any style, and here the font you can change, keep the line middle. Now just add to the text. Now just make sure, just resize that text box and make sure it is cover your that shape. Okay, now just right click on it and send to the back. Okay, now go to the shape again and take that square shapes and make sure it is same color as this color, which is the shape color, and just try to fill in the all black background like this. Okay, you can copy that shape, paste again and just keep another side, again copy like this, change the size and keep at the top and cover the top and bottom space also. Okay, okay, now we need to go click anywhere and go to the positions and come to the background color and you need to change as same recent. Okay, so we have this color as we have changed, so we have same color, all background color and this icon color. Now we need to go in share again, go to the see all, click on copy to clipboard Add another page, make background white and paste this clipboard here. Now select that shapes and go to the BG remover. Now you can see the background has been removed, all that blue color has been removed, and now we have this shape with color. You can see the text wrap into the shape, you can see like this. Now you can download as a PNG or PDF, whatever you want, and download it. So you can delete this one. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.